In many cases, managers try to solve the problems by guessing, blaming, and faulting others. And in most cases, this approach is unsuccessful and creates more problems. So we need a reliable approach to problem solving to discover the root causes of the problems instead of treating the symptoms. The Fishbone analysis is a cause and effect diagram that helps us to identify possible causes for an effect or problem, such as defects, variations, or failures within a process. In other words, it helps break down root causes that potentially contribute to an effect. A fishbone diagram, as the name suggests, mimics a fish skeleton, and it works based on brainstorming method. To facilitate brainstorming more effectively, we can use 6 generic cause categories that are methods or procedures, machines or equipments, people or manpower, materials, measurement, and environment. Fishbone analysis is a simple but very useful technique that can be applied to nearly any type of problem. To create a fishbone diagram, we can follow 5 simple steps. But before that, all people who are needed to address the problem should be invited to a meeting. First, we highlight the problem statement or effect that is the head of the fish. Then we should draw a horizontal arrow running to the problem statement, which is the backbone of the fish. The next step is to write the cause categories as branches from the horizontal arrow. I mean methods, machines, people, materials, measurement, and environment. Then you should ask the team, why does this problem happen? And brainstorm all the possible causes of the problem. You should write ideas as a branch from the appropriate category. Again, you should ask, why does this happen for each cause, and write sub-causes branching off the causes to gain deeper understanding. So you should just continue to ask why and generate sub-causes. Usually we ask why 5 times for each cause, which helps drill down to one or more root causes. When the team runs out of ideas, rate the potential causes according to their importance. The team can use dots to vote for the causes that are more important than the others. In this slide, you can see an example of fishbone analysis. The diagram is split into causes and effect, and 6 cause categories are placed on the fish backbone. Under each category, you will find causes. For example, under method, we can see lack of planning, or under the environment, we can see that the office is too cold. Lack of communication is under people, and slow computer is under machine. Now we have some clues to understand why we missed the deadline, so we can start working on these causes. By eliminating these root causes, we reduce the chance of missing another deadline in the future.